What's up, you guys? It's your boy Crooks, and I'm here with another 12 valve second gen video, 97 3500 Ram. But right now I'm tackling on changing my clutch pedal because I don't know if you noticed, my clutch pedal has a scorer in it, and it snapped my plunger to my hydraulics. So I need to swap the whole system so this won't happen again. So I have a new pedal. I'm about to go pick up new hydraulics. I'm just making this video so I can show you guys how to take out the clutch pedal. I'm only doing the clutch pedal. So I've already removed the pin right here. There's a C pin, C clip right there. Got two flatheads, if this thing will focus. I got two flatheads, and I put one on each side and I pushed it off. And now I'm actually just reaching in there with my finger and pushing it ever so slowly. I'm gonna push it about like 2 inches so I can get the clutch pedal peg to clear and drop. Then I'm gonna bring in the new one. That's how far as I have the other one out. So I'm only gonna go ahead with my finger, push it just a little bit. That is a bitch. I got some of it out. I'm gonna try and pull it on the other side. Okay, you got that much cleared. My boy said we want to get it out. My boy Austin, the one that supplied me the pedal, said I only want to get it about 2 inches just so I can clear the peg, just the clutch pedal peg. We're almost there. I'm gonna set you guys down and I'll get back to you when I finish pushing this. All right, you guys, sorry I couldn't record that, but I just want to give you an idea of what I did. So to be exact, I got me a 1/2 inch socket, not 8mm to be exact, and I stuck it in that hole. After I was able to push the rod over a little bit with my finger as much as I can, I got the socket on there and I was pushing the socket. After I started pushing the socket, I got a crescent wrench on the other end, and I started prying and pulling the pin. Once I was able to pull the pin out that far, I say about like 2 inches, like my boy said, the pedal just dropped. You don't want to drop it out all the way because you still want your brake pedal to stay there. So all we're doing is swapping out the clutch pedal. Let's get a new one. Supplied from your boy Austin. But before I do that, I'm gonna go get some new grease. Some more grease, pack that boy up, and we should be nice. I can get back to you with the new hydraulics as well. All right, you guys, we're back. I'm here to lube things up. So here's the damage that was on my clutch pedal. You can really see it now. It's crazy. That's like years of damage. Throw some grease up in there. Let me get back to you after I lube this up. All right, you guys, after fighting for about 30 to 40 minutes, I got the new pedal in there to ride through and that clip on. As you can see, everything's lubed up. Now it's time to get to the hydraulics.